welcome back to my channel Easy Money 111. I hope you guys are good. Today we are going to talk about Bybit exchange. The reason why we are talking about Bybit today is how to buy from this platform, and it's very easy. But if you have not signed up, please, I have the link down below. After you have signed up, you can come to identify verification here. Then just put in your ID card, your Ghana card, or any ID that you have, then just to verify yourself, and that is all. Okay. This exchange, you can buy cryptocurrency from here, any cryptocurrency from here. But today we are going to buy USDT or Bitcoin. USDT or Bitcoin. So please follow me. You go down below, then you see this price. Get the best price for the coin via P2P. So you tap that one. So when you tap that one, you see the people who are selling their USDT. If you can see here, this USDT, this Bitcoin. Do you get it? So we are going to buy USDT. Okay, so you scroll down for the best price. So for $1 is $10.88, 88 pesos. Sorry. Then you go down. You see another one that is 10 CD 89 pesos. So we are going to buy from this guy, SKL. Okay, so we tap on your buy. Then we want to buy $10, $110. Sorry. So after that, you click on your buy. So you will pay with mobile money or Vodafone. So you press on your buy. Okay, so you see that they are giving us what? You have 15 minutes to complete this payment. Then they'll send you an SMS. So we click on next to show us how we can see the dashboard and what you have to do to make the payment. So when I make the payment of 110, I'm going to receive $10 and 4 some cents. Yes. So click on next. So this is the person, the SKL, what he needs to complete this transaction. So they'll hold the money, they'll hold the USDT from his wallet, so that when you make payment, they can confirm it. See, so check the everything about this. The person is selling the thing to you, right? Okay. So you can also communicate with the person and other stuff. So they're giving the phone that you can connect with the person or chat. Then when you are done, you press your pay. So it's very, very easy. Sorry. So let's see what the person says. Please call me if you didn't release for more than 10 minutes. Okay. So this is how you can make your payment, and it's very easy. What I have to do right now is say hello, and if it's online, he will message me back. So now the payment is on pending. So if you want to cancel the order, this is what you press here. Yeah, you press here to cancel the order. But we are buying, so you're not going to cancel the order. You're not going to cancel the order. So please kindly wait. We'll be at least getting hold of that guy to make the payment, because I don't know the number we'll make the payment to. So either I'll call the number to find out everything. So you guys can hold on. I'll get back to everything soon. When I'm done, you guys will know. Okay. So we will click on, or I will click on the pay for you to see. So pay. Then they'll give you the details what you have to do to make the payment. So you select the payment method. you want to use and view the payment information of the counterpart. Okay, so you press your next, then you read what is here. Please click the payment when you are complete. When you complete, okay, after you send the money to the counterpart. Okay, so done. So you can see log into your Vodafone account, cash transfer 110. Okay, this is the Vodafone number. Okay, so we are going to make the payment through Momo or Vodafone. If you want, this is Vodafone. If you want MTN, you tap on the MTN and you see the number you have to make the payment to. You get it? So it's very simple. So today I want to use Vodafone to make the payment. Okay, so you can hold on. I'll be making the payment. When I make the payment, then I will click on payment complete so that they'll release my coin to me. Okay, after I have made the payment right now, I can click on payment complete. Then you say you are I understand the click on the payment complete before successful payment may cause my account to be restricted. So if you have not made payment, please don't click on this. Okay, so confirm. So this is how it will look. This is how it will look. Then you have to wait so that person will release your $10 to you after you have made the payment. Okay, so you have to wait a little. You have to wait a little. So we'll go back. Let's check the okay, hello, the guy came to respond. Okay, so the person will see that you have made the payment to the person, right? So you have to go back and go back. Let's wait a little for us to see if you are going to receive our USDT into our wallet. So soon you will see this thing changing. So as you can see now, I have received my money. Sorry, I've received the USDT to my funding wallet. So you can see it here. Yeah, you can see it here, right here. Then you can see it here. My USDT is $10. So guys, thank you very much. If you like this kind of video, please click on like, subscribe, and share for me. And if you want to join my Telegram group and any question I want to ask or any video you want me to do for you, please leave the comment down below and I'll do that for you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Have a nice week and have fun. Enjoy your life. Thank you. Bye.